Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April 14th, 2019, and I'm going to be showing you today how to start alyssum from seeds. Now, this is the carpet of snow, and it does come in other colors. Comes in purple. That one's really pretty. I believe that one's royal carpet. I do grow that one. I had a little mishap with my seed book where I planted all of them last year, and somehow I missed taking it out of my book that I still had the seeds for it. So I'll have to pick those up next time when we go into town if I can find them. Now, it also comes in pink. That's pretty. I've grown that before. But this is a really nice container filler. I like it for hanging baskets and different containers to just help fill in. It has a wonderful honey fragrance to it, and you can use it for like edging and ground covers, and it's just a really pretty thing. Now, these should germinate within 7 to 14 days, and they do need light to germinate, so I'm not going to be covering them. And I'm putting 4 seeds per cell. This is what alyssum seeds look like here. And so what I do is, after I put my alyssum seeds in, is I just press the seed into the soil surface with the back of my nail. Make sure it gets nice, good contact with the soil. And then I just take my mister bottle and I just spray across it. And when these start germinating for me, I will come back and I will show them to you. So today is April the 17th, 2019. And most of my alyssum seeds here have germinated for me. Now, I did mist the top of the soil to make sure it stayed nice and moist for me and it didn't dry out for me. Now, when these start getting their true leaves, I will come back with another video and I will show you how to feed them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.